Hi young readers. Today we are covering about the water world's heroes of the ocean. Yes, so you must have guessed it that the heroes of the ocean are the big whales, right? But they aren't the one. It is the tiny little phytoplanktons which are most inconspicuous. Inconspicuous is something which can't be felt or seen. Okay, and so let's get into the story of these whales. These whales are the adult whales, like the blue whales. They are the biggest mammal and animals on the earth, and they are of a length of 30 meters and weigh around 200 tons. That is like 2 lakh kg. That's a huge amount. And what do they consume? They consume the crustacean. These crustaceans are the transparent species like the krills, and it is a paradox because the largest animal, paradox is what is contrary to what we are saying. So like how they depend on the tiniest prey for the biggest animal on the living on the earth, right? And it is so intriguing. By intriguing you mean something which is so mysterious. So what it does is it will gulp the whole lot of these krills, and it uses its mouth like a filter, its giant mouth like filter, and the holes are called like balleens. So these whales which have such a filter are called baleen whales. The common baleen whales which takes in their cavernous mouth. What is cavernous? It is a cave like place. So the mouth is such a big cave for these whales. So some of the common baleen whales are the blue whale, grey whale, humpback whales, and the killer whales such as orcas. They also hunt the seals, the seabirds, and the fish, and they use that hunting tools, which is the large teeth. Now, coming to the most interesting fact of whale is the poop, the whale poop. So it is consuming in tons and tons of these krills. So it is all finally going to end up as the best poop in the world, and it is giving what is the most why is it the best poop? You see, just get to the facts. This poop of these whales are most nutrition rich. They have nitrogen, phosphates, and other minerals which are important fertilizer for the entire ocean and will boost the growth of phytoplankton. So phytoplankton is our fauna, is our flora. What is a flora? Animals are called fauna, and the plant kingdom, they are all called flora. So among the flora, these phytoplanktons inside the ocean, the microscopic plants that you see, like paase in Tamil you call, like that they are floating in water. So that is the flora which is floating, and it is the most rich and nutritious one, and they provide us the carbon sink. They are absorbing the entire carbon dioxide that we human beings